We're in search of Jake's Creek Trail today. Did you find it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Cemetery. Those who couldn't finish the hike.
Yeah.
To the
Go to
right.
the cemetery. Cool. So a little history on why there's all of these ruined chimneys all over the place on this trail. It's called Elkmont, and in the early 1900s, some of Knoxville's elite built a series of cabins and a hotel here, and that's where they would spend the summers. But after the formation of the national park, the cabin owners were eventually pushed out, leaving the cabins to ruin. And then a number of years ago, the Park Service started restoring some of the cabins that were salvageable while demolishing the ones that weren't. So it's kind of interesting just seeing the history of this.
Right. Be careful.
At this point, I hope we don't run into any people because, you know, they could be scary people.
That could be scary.
You can be scary. Protect me. So pretty in here.
You don't hear banjo music.
Yeah, right? I keep looking behind us, hoping nobody's following us, or a bear behind us. It's so desolate out here. There's like nobody in sight. It's a bit scary. So our goal was to reach the Avent cabin, and we're having a hard time finding it until finally our app, All Trails, told us we had passed it. It's not marked at all. So we turned around, followed our little app and found it. But what the Avent cabin is that it was built around 1845 by Humphrey Ownby, and it remained in the family until 1918 when purchased by Frank Avent. And his wife was an artist. She lived in the property, and she did several paintings and artwork there, which was really cool. Some of that's in the cabin already. And so we finally found it going down this trail here, and it's super, super cool. It's in really good shape, as you'll see, and you can go in there. The park allows it, and it's very much worth going to check it out. I don't think anyone comes out here ever. I mean, look at this. It's like all mossy. This is not well marked or traveled. Look at that though. Isn't that neat? Oh. Oh my gosh, this is like way too cool. I have no idea where we're headed, but that's where we came from. On a rickety bridge. Well, there it is.
Built in 1849.
Hidden off a path. I mean, we wouldn't have even known to go up here if I didn't have an All Trails little app, and it told us we had passed our turn. There was no sign, there was nothing to find this place. It's the right one. Avent Cabin. Oh, how do we get up there? Maybe we go around that way or this way. Guess I'll check this way. Looks like there's a little bit of a path. They don't want us going on their back deck or something like that. Okay. So hopefully nobody lives here.
Yeah.
Do you want to move that rock for me, hon? I feel like we're breaking and entering. Oh, wouldn't this be great?
Yeah.
Like if you came in here and you went camping?
Well, I don't know if you're allowed to do that.
I don't know.
It's interesting. Like we said, it was built in 1849. In the 1900s, some artist came up here, kind of made it a studio just to be away from everything and everybody and just work
Wow.
on his art. And
Oh, look at that. Look at, you got your beds. You could just like bring a little yoga mattress up here. Let's go up these stairs, the ladder. Let's see what's going on up here. Oh, there's another bed up here. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. You got a little log rail, fireplace. It's nice and clean in here.
there's a piece of art here that somebody who lived in here once painted.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Later, whenever you want to.
Amatrappi's beds. Oh, this one's way too hard. Let me try this one over here. Oh, this one's way too soft. Look at this. Oh, this bed's just right.
Okay, Goldilocks. Let's hope we don't meet up with 3 bears.
We just like put a mattress up here and just go to bed.
Just,
How fun would that be?
it'd be cool.
Look at that. There's a really cute patio door. Does it open or
No,
it's kind of stuck?
Texas.
All right, well, we'll try this one over here.
We got an old painting here that apparently maybe one of the artists that lived here for a little bit in the early 1900s worked on, supposedly. That's interesting as well. Kind of a neat little view. If you wanted some solitude, just kind of come on out,
Yeah, it's a nice
work on your art, and just peace and quiet.
Got some crisscrossy railings, and then look at this door over here. It's a really cool French door. Must be locked, but isn't it neat?
Oh yeah.
Got some glass, let some light in the cabin.
Yeah.
Oh, this might be a bathroom. Is it?
Or a kitchen or like a sink anyway.
Oh, I guess it's a kitchen. I was hoping it would
An
be a
old stove.
bathroom. Avent Cabin logbook. Look at the logbook. Look at.
Oh wow.
So maybe I didn't bring a pen or anything, but what's it saying? Is that people's
Just
names?
people sign their names and dates and stuff.
Oh wow, that is really neat. Let's see if there's like a pen in here. So I actually didn't bring one. Avent cabin, do not open. Put a pen. Oh, I see a pen. I think I see a pen. So we kind of got to put our name in here.
Important. Please leave door closed, especially at night. Keep door closed at all times. Apparently could be mice or snakes. I think they'll find a way in here if they wanted to.
So here we go. I'm going to put Are people putting their addresses too? I can't see.
Not there.
Nope. I'll just say Nebo. We won't give them our house address. Let's see. Visited November 5th, 23. Here we are.
Yeah. We're part of history now too.
Yeah. That is so cool. Put a little fire in here. It'll probably go all the way upstairs. Yep. Gonna put the rock right back where it came from.
Put that thing back where it came from.
So help me. Yep, so this was really worth the trip. I mean, the trail was kind of not as spectacular as yesterday, but just coming to see this old cabin that the national park lets you come. They let you walk around and check it out. Okay. Whoop. You said careful there and I step on it. Looking for the trail again. Should I wait till you get across, or at least the one section? So we don't go crashing. So you gotta climb up this thing to get to the main trail again. And we did not, I mean, there's no sign right here saying, turn here to the Avent cabin. You have no idea to do it if we didn't have the trail map. But Keith made an X right here for everybody.
Either
X
that or
marks
just
the
look
spot.
for the staircase on the right.
Yeah, look for the staircase on the right. And you're gonna go across that little bridge and you're gonna go all the way up there to that cabin. And I think you can kind of see it through the woods.
Can you see it?
I don't know.
I can't
Or
see
it could be a mountain. But it's right before you get to this tree.
It's
falling
hidden away.
over. It's hidden. But look for the stairs, follow the trail map.
X marks the spot.
Yep, X marks the
I'm sure
spot.
they'll be there when you get there.
I'm sure. I don't think any leaves will cover that over either. But if you follow the trail map and you pass it, it's going to tell you, it's going to alert you and say you passed it. And then you can turn around. We found some what we thought was bear poop, and I think we got so distracted that, you know, looking for bears, that we didn't even notice. But like I said, it's not even marked, so you just don't know that it's there. But it's very, very worth going to see that cabin. I mean, and you can write down your name and that you came and visited. It's just so cool. Oh, there's the, okay, see? So once you pass the bear poop, if that's what that is, just a little ways up on the right. I'm sure that'll be there too. Just kidding. Another awesome hike, and tomorrow we go to Anakista, so we will see you there.